Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, we are going to help you fix that issue that we all have had from time to time. That issue is, why do my burgers always puff up when I grill them? We're gonna show you how to put an end to that and get you set and ready to go for some amazing backyard adventures. Today, I have a new friend with me. I have the brand new Weber SX335 Smart Grill. This has got some cool stuff on it. We're gonna show you that when we head out and get grilling. But let's dig in here. We'll do a little bit of prep first, then we'll head out and get that grill fired up, get these burgers made, and we're gonna show you how to make a beautiful, flat, even wonderful, delicious burger. Ingredients today, very easy, right? Because it doesn't take much to make a fantastic burger. So we're gonna start off with some 80/20 ground chuck. I like ground chuck because it eats a little bit better. It eats more firm, kind of eats like a steak. And that 80/20 I like too, because that 20% fat as we cook is going to wash out about 10% of that, leaving us with a very nice 90/10 burger, which is fantastic. So we started off with that ground beef. Now, check it out. One of the tricks to making sure your burger doesn't puff is having a burger press. Everybody wants a flat burger. We're gonna show you how to start off with that as well. Then, look at this here, seasoning up. Boom, rub-a-dub. Gotta have some good seasoning. We're gonna use our all-purpose rub-a-dub for that. Then finishing it off strong today, beautiful brioche bun that we're gonna toast. And then the accoutrement of all accoutrement, the lettuce, tomato, onions, and some American cheese. We took the 1 pound of ground beef and we're gonna divide this into thirds, because one of the things to remember, guys, you don't want a burger that's too huge, because the minute this burger gets too big, it's gonna start puffing. So let me show you something here. Most people love to hand patty a burger, and they like to form it, and they're done and they hand patty, right? Just like that. We'll set that guy there for comparison. Me, I like to go through and actually mix my burger together, right? I wanna hand form it, but I also wanna get this burger mixed together so it comes out really nice and it forms a better patty. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it into my Grill Mark burger press, because one of the things you need to do also is, look at that, you wanna make sure you have a nice flat pattied burger. So we push that down, and then check this out. We're gonna go ahead and pop it out, pull off our little disc, and now look at this. We've taken that same burger and made it kind of two different ways. Now, here's what I like to do. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some light finger dimples in here, almost like a little bit of a golf club or a golf ball. I'm just gonna put some little dimples in there like that, and that is gonna help us. But look at this, we went flatter, wider, bigger. This has got that hand pattied look to it. So definitely using a burger press is gonna save you some time. We'll talk about the cooking techniques when we get out on the grill. We went ahead and fired the grill up outside, and we're gonna go through and get these guys seasoned as well. And we're gonna season both sides here, and I wanna leave that dimpled side back up, so we'll turn that back up as well. And then, hey, guess what? I'm doing the hand pattied one because we're gonna do a little comparison today and see how these guys all come out. But we'll let these sit for about the next 10 minutes while the grill heats up. Okay guys, cooking temp today is gonna be 500 degrees, because one of the things that also makes your burger puff is if you cook it too hot, too fast. So we're gonna stick right in that 500 degree range. You can see right here, we've got our two burger press burgers, and then we've got that hand pattied burger. So we'll go ahead and leave these guys alone. We're gonna cook them to medium rare. We'll give them about 3-4 minutes before we come back and rotate. Here we are right at that 3-minute mark. We're gonna go ahead and give this a flip and see where we're at. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful grill marks. And look at, these two burgers are staying flat. You can already see that guy has started to puff up just a little bit. Let's do a quick little check-in here, you guys. So look at this burger here. If you push on it, you see you've got a big pocket of juice in there, right? That is like a big puffy burger. These guys, not so much. We have a little bit of moisture in there, which is normal, but they haven't puffed up like that hand form guy. So what we'll do now, we're gonna go ahead and let these finish. Total cook time is gonna be about 8 minutes. We'll melt some cheese on there, and then we'll get back in the kitchen, and time to devour a burger. All right, here are the burgers that we have. So these guys are the ones that we put in the burger press right there. And then this little puffy guy right there, that is that hand pattied one. Now, you can tell and feel it is still very squishy, and there is a lot of juice in there. Now, what confuses us is we always see that puffing up and we want to push down on it. But I'll tell you, that's going to release a lot of your juices, so you have to be careful. This was a fast and easy how-to video for sure, because all we were trying to do is accomplish not having our burgers puff up. And like I said, hand pattying your burgers and having a big burger is definitely going to make that puff up. We went a little bit smaller, 5.3 ounces or a 1/3 pound. We used our burger press, which works out great, getting them nice and flat, and then we made those dimples. And then quick and easy cooking, 500 degrees, got them done, about 6 to 8 minutes, depending on your doneness, and we are done and ready with a fantastic burger. Now, before we quality control, don't forget, this is time to subscribe to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel. Click on your post notifications. You will be notified when we tackle other amazing barbecue questions like, I don't know, how do you pull pork faster than 8 hours? And then today, how do we save time and not have a puffy burger? Now, also, at the very end, coming up, you think this is a riveting video on burgers. We've got some other pretty amazing videos coming up on the Weber as well, so be sure to tune into those. And then leave your questions and comments down below because we love them. That is where today's video came from. Someone said, why does my burger puff? Help me, chef. We took care of you. Now, quality control. There are a lot of things I will take for the team when it comes to quality control. Oysters, right? But what I won't take, tomatoes. Yeah, out of here. That's my burger. That is a solid, juicy, tasty, delicious treat. Cheers.